Hi everyone, in today's session I am going to discuss here some name reaction important for 12th science chemistry and for NET JEE. In that first reaction, Markovnikov rule. What is the Markovnikov rule? What is the statement for Markovnikov rule? When an unsymmetrical reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent gets attached to the carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen atoms. See the example. It's an unsymmetrical alkene. Propene, 1 propene plus HBr. It's a reagent. The negative part of the reagent means Br minus gets attached to that carbon atom which have less number of hydrogen atom. Means CH have less, means this carbon atom have less number, doubly bonded carbon atom have less number of hydrogen atom. Here is one hydrogen atom, here is two hydrogen atoms. Means this Br minus get attached to this carbon atom and product form. Major product 2 bromopropane and minor product 1 bromopropane. Means mixture of product is formed but major is this product. It's a Markovnikov rule. Then anti-Markovnikov addition or peroxide effect or Kirch or Mayo effect. It's an anti-Markovnikov rule. In 1933, MS Kirch and F.R. Mayo discovered that the addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of organic peroxide ROOR takes place in a opposite orientation. See the example, same example, propene and reagent same, HBr. In the anti-Markovnikov rule, the negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon atom, that doubly bonded carbon atom which have more number of hydrogen atom. It's an anti-Markovnikov rule. See the product 1 bromopropane, 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Therefore, it's a propane and bromine is attached to first number carbon atom. Therefore, 1 bromopropane is formed and the benzoyl peroxide means the benzoyl peroxide is used. Then next reaction, Sedgwick elimination. Sedgwick elimination preferred formation of more highly stabilized alkene during an elimination reaction. See, 2-bromobutane reacts with alcoholic KOH, potassium hydroxide, gives heat, formation of 1-ene means butene and 2-butene, 1-butene and 2-butene. But by the Sedgwick rule, Sedgwick elimination, the major product is its elimination reaction. HBr is removed. This is alpha carbon atom, it's a beta carbon atom and beta carbon atom. Alpha carbon atoms, Br is attached to alpha carbon atom and this hydrogen, beta carbon atom, HBr is removed. Two products are formed. But the major product is, this product is major because the carbon-carbon double bond, this carbon-carbon double bond is a stable because two alkyl groups are attached to doubly bonded two carbon atoms. They gives plus I effect, means plus I inductive effect, inductive electron donating inductive effect. Therefore, this is the major product. Then next, Wood's reaction. Alkyl halide reacts with metallic sodium in dry ether as a solvent and formation of higher alkanes containing double the number of carbon atoms present in alkyl halide. This reaction is called as Wood's reaction. It's a statement for Wood's reaction. See the reactions for Wood's reaction. It's a ethyl bromide C2H5Br reacts with sodium, metallic sodium in presence of dry ether formation of butane. Means the Wood's reaction is useful for preparation of higher alkanes. Then Wood's fatigue reaction. The reaction of aryl halide, it's the aryl halide, bromobenzene, aryl and halogen group is attached to aryl group. with alkyl halide and sodium metal in dry ether to give a substituted aromatic compound is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In the Wurtz-Fittig reaction, the reagents are used bromobenzene and methyl bromide. In presence of metallic sodium, dry ether is used and toluene product is formed. This is the substitution reaction, means substituted product is formed. Then Fittig reaction. In case only aryl halide takes part in the reaction, the product is biphenyl and the reaction is known as Fittig reaction. In the Fittig reaction, only aryl halide is used. Same sodium metal and dry ether are same and biphenyl product is formed. Then Friedel-Crafts reaction. In the Friedel-Crafts reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions, it is carried out by treating haloarine with alkyl chloride or acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, means aluminium trichloride. It's a Lewis acid. Haloarines. It's a haloarines. Chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride, anhydrous AlCl3, aluminium trichloride, formation of 2-chlorotoluene. This is the second position, therefore it is known as 2-chlorotoluene and 4-chlorotoluene is formed. This is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction because this alkyl group is attached to aromatic ring, therefore it is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. It's a acyl group. It's a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This acyl group is attached to aryl groups. Therefore, it is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. The same reagent anhydrous AlCl3 is used. AlCl3 means Lewis acid is used. This is also example of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Then by addition of Grignard reagent to aldehydes and ketone. Grignard reagent react with aldehydes or ketone to form an adduct which on hydrolysis with dilute acid gives the corresponding alcohol. It is very simple reaction and important for the reactions in the aldehydes and ketone, for the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. This is the aldehyde or ketone. This is the Grignard reagent RMgX. In presence of dry ether, formation of this adduct means this R minus is attacks on this carbon, electron deficient carbon. Carbonyl carbon is always electron deficient carbon, and RMgX in the Grignard reagent alkyl group is electron rich. Therefore, this electron rich alkyl group is attack on this carbon atom, electron deficient carbon atom, formation of this adduct. And hydrolysis of this adduct, formation of alcohol. Then Dow process. What is the Dow process? What is the statement for Dow process? Chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH, means sodium hydroxide, at a high temperature and pressure, followed by treatment with dilute HCl to obtain phenol. Means this is a chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide in 623 temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure, formation of sodium phenoxide ions. And hydrolysis of this sodium phenoxide ion, formation of phenol. Means this Dow process is useful for preparation of phenol. It is also important process for preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, means aryl halide to phenol.